This is a kinematics problem where we're given several variables about the motion of an object, and we are assuming that the acceleration is constant, and we have to choose the equation that will help us find the missing variable. With problems like this, it's helpful to make notes of the givens. So we're given the distance traveled, so delta x. We're given the initial speed of the car, 28 meters per second. We're also given the final speed of the car, because it says that the car slows down to rest. So the final speed is 0. And the unknown variable that we're trying to find is the acceleration. So the key with these types of problems is that you want to pick the equation that includes all of the variables we have and the variable that we're trying to find. It should not include any others. So for example, we don't want to use this first equation because it includes time, which is completely irrelevant to us. We don't have it, and we don't want to find it. So that equation can't help us out with this. The second equation also includes time, so that leaves us with a third equation, which includes the initial speed, includes v, v naught, and delta x, all things we know, and a, which is something we want to find. So this is going to be the equation we want to use in this problem. So because acceleration is what we're trying to find, we need to algebraically rewrite this equation to solve for a. So first, let's get the v naught squared on the other side of the problem, or on the other side of the equation, by subtracting. So that's v squared minus v naught squared equals 2a delta x. Then to get a on its own, we divide both sides of the equation by 2 delta x. The acceleration is equal to v squared minus v naught squared divided by 2 delta x. Now it's time to plug the numbers we're given into the problem. So the initial speed is 0, 0 squared is just 0, minus the initial speed of 28 meters per second squared, divided by 2, times the distance traveled of 88 meters. If you put this into a calculator, then we find an acceleration of about negative 4.5 meters per second squared. And that is the answer to this problem. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please consider subscribing or donating to my Patreon, as that'll help me out in making more videos just like this. If you have a request or a question, leave a comment down below, and I hope you all have a lovely day. Bye-bye.